This video explains how to check the current time in another time zone. Hold down the mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. In timekeeping mode, press the mode button to choose the world time mode. Currently selected city code and the city name will scroll once across the display. After that, current time in the world city will be displayed. Now, you can use the start button to change the city code. Hold down the adjust button for about 2 seconds to toggle between DST and standard time. DST indicator will be displayed when DST is selected. Hold down the adjust button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode.